You'll be the first to know if I see one of these mysterious birds, Vance. Promise you that.
For today's adventure, we're hiking deep into the Sierra Mountains, looking for mythical beer birds. An old codger the other day told me about them at the local dive bar, the Sasquatch. Now, of course, I don't believe him, but I'm always down for a good adventure. The old man said we'd be getting close to the mythical beer birds when we passed the old stump that looked like a duck. I seriously have no idea what this guy's talking about. I have a Walking Tree Red IPA, one of the best, but I haven't seen a damn bird anywhere. Not even one bird.
So this guy at the bar just told you to show up in the woods with a beer and the birds would come. And you believe him. Beer-loving birds. It's ridiculous. Why would a bird like beer? You'll be the first to know if I see one of these mysterious birds, Vance. Promise you that.
This is getting exhausting. I just don't know where these birds are. I don't think they even exist. That old codger got me. That's what I get for drinking at the Sasquatch bar. Have you seen any birds, babe?
No. I don't think they exist.